keep it this like this and press it again. Yeah, that sound make happy. Here the tissue, bro. Oh my god. You blood. Idila. Apun papa bugil ben apna baleta. Bobo.
That
Devare. Karan wait enough. Welcome, hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So yeah, nama ekta kudladulla mamillare. So vlog proper ichi. So you guys saw that video, right? So to share nama operation and aina kurita nama operation was a small operation. So I don't enjoy experience it and pankenga. Yeah. To share what happened? Okay, he's going somewhere. Okay, wait guys. Now we want to clean this first. Yeah, here is the operation. Dr. Vignesh Hanchan and cameraman Vaishalanchan. We are making some such kind of videos. If you guys are interested, please like, share, subscribe our channel and contact Mr. Tushar for curry. More curry. This is kind of blood. Wait. He is killing us. Like, yeah, this is the blood. How it's showing like
Operation
this.
success.
Operation success. It's a baby boy.
No.
And a cameraman Vaishalanchan. Yeah, take more videos, brother. We want to collaborate with Kuri. Yeah, patient name is Tusharanchan. Can you please show your face? Yeah.
Oh, what face?
What a face. Oh my god, this is too much of blood. So guys, we want to clean this blood because otherwise it will spread again and make so many kids. Hey! Oh. Wait a moment guys. Another murder is happening right now.
She's coming.
Hey. Okay, fine. We clean. Boda? Why?
Blood.
You guys can see this now. Oh my god, too much of blood. No. Your curry is still there only.
That is overflowing.
It's I'm cleaning, brother. Okay. Nadu kai pada balli pandu. Still blood is coming, guys. You can see this like here.
One.
Yeah. So anyone have this kind of curry, please contact.
Third curry.
Here it's the second time for here curry, and here is the first curry, and here is the first curry. So many curry boy. We are changing. Tushar name is curry boy. Curry Anchan. Okay. This vlog is ending from here. Yeah, I already on that camera. Okay. So guys, you must want to take another tissue because there is too much of blood. You can see this guy, what he is doing there.
See.
Yeah.
Yo.
Bloody. We are helping him. Still he is planning for kill us.
Blood is overflowing.
Yeah, overflowing. So now we want to just keep it this like this and press it again. Yeah, that sound make happy. The sound is coming from his own donde.
Now it's clean.
Now he is a barber. He is cutting my hairs, leg hairs. Okay guys, operation is success. I think all came out. And I think this is twin. Okay. Still blood is coming, bro. What we'll do? So we want to apply something. I love this kind of operations. You guys are like it. You want to be a doctor like this? Please contact us. Mentioned as a description. Display. We mentioned as a display also. If you have any, yeah. So we are right now at Kautara Chowki for Operation Theatre Mommy's house. Show me the weather condition. How was the weather and the patient is feeling a better condition? The weather is good because of the rain. The man is very cold. Oh my god. What it done? Guys, look at this.
Look at
Here
that
the
guy.
hair he removed. This is a new trend, bro. Oh my god. Sir, what this nonsense you done?
This
oh my
guy.
God. This guy is like remove my whole hairs in my like. It's not good. Can you please go and
See this guy.
we saved his life. He's killing
But
us. He's trying to kill.
Operation success. Thank you.
Thank you. You want to wash? Yeah, you can wash. I want to wash? No. Okay. So now we are applying some little water because he want to cool his head. It's too much of sweet pain. It's called as sweet pain, right, Tushar?
Yeah, sweet.
Hey. Oh my god. It's too bad. Oh my god. Guys, it's too bad. Hello. How? Hey, here's the tissue. You can wash your indoor. Here's the tissue, bro. Oh my god. You bloody. Yeah. Tissue. Okay, guys, we'll see you later. Now we want to edit something.
Cut it. Pain down.
Oh, you bloody. What you done? Hey, Chada, tissue. He thrown the tissue on the sofa. Clean it again. No cut.
Not this point.
Not this point on us. He's moving. Mom is preparing some variety of food for this fellow Buddha. Okay.
Good.
Okay, guys. See you later. And Rama Manisha sir. So, Ekala journey. Go back to home. The Tushar patla undi. ಈ ಖಾಲಿ ಬೀಜ ಬರ್ರಂಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಣ್ಣೆ ಏನು ಇಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಪನ್ ಪಾಪ ಪುಗಿಲ್ ಬೇನಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಬಾಲೆತ ಅಂಚತ್ ಉಂದೆನ್ ಅಂಚ ತಿಕ್ಕರಪ್ಪ ಉಂದೆನ್ ಮಲ್ಲ ಜಿ ಇಂಚ ಪತ್ತು ಇಂಚ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಇಂಚ ಮೂಲ್ ಇಂಚ ಬೇರೆ ದೈತಿ ಕುಮುರಿ ಅವು 4 ಚಕ್ರ ಹೋಯ್ತೊಂಬರ್ಚ ಅಂಚ ಸೊ ಎಂಕಲೊಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಲೆದೈ ತುಷಾರ್ ಬೈದೆ
Tiger. Dum tak tak dum dum tak. Tiger. Ger. Dum tak tak dum tak. Polak.
ಓಬೋ
Tahu tidur sudah.
ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಲವ್ವ ಹಾ దాదా మదిమే అందుండే
ಅವನು ಚಕ್ಕುಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಚಕ್ಕುಲಿ
ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಲವಾಗಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೂನು ಬಲವಾಗಿದೆ
ಅದೇ ಉಡ್ಸಾಗ
ಛೀ ಅದು ಪುಕ್ಕ ಸುತ್ತಿಬೇನೈತೆ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾನು ಕಿಸ್ಕೊರೈತೆ ಪುಕ್ಕ ಮಹಾರಾಣಿ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಎನ್ನ ಮರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ
That. India mar papa gora
Videography भैया. मिन्नल वड़ा. ഇപ്പാട് വേറെ കണ്ണോട കാലത്ത് കാണവല്ല കാനോട കാനോടാണ് കണ്ണോട് തന്നിട്ട്
Wait.
हा दादा हा ಬರ್ಪ ನಾವನಿ ಹೇ ಗೈಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಸೊ ಯಾ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಂಚಿ ಫ್ರೈ ಮಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ ತೆಗೆದಂಡೆ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ತುಷಾರ್ಗೆ ಲೆಗ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿನ ಬುಟ್ಕ
Kalin cepat tuh nada.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಚೆ ಬರ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಗೋಡೆ ಆಯ್ಕೂರ್ಲ ತಾ ಪಕ್ಕನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಬಾಡ
Kali budak gue tuh pan narkon dulu.
ಕೊಚ್ಚು ಅಂಚೆ ಅಟ್ಟ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬಾಳ ದೇವರೇ
Bibi.
ವೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬಲ್ಲ देखो फ्लाईओवर का वो
Tower hati ya. Aduh sebutnya jatuh.
ಹೌದೇ ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್
Welcome.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಉನ್ಶೋಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ದಾದಂಡೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೂಲೆ ಬತ್ತು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದು
View itu.
ಯಾವತ್ತ ಮೂಲೆ ಇದು
Oh ini anjing. Side ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸತ್ಯ. Aubori
ಈ ತುಷಾರ್ ಕರ್ತಿ कारण वेस्ट रायडर नसलो तुषार वाट्याच्या सिंगल जायचे बेस्ट